Hey everyone, Jakub here from IT Admin ID. Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to install Oracle VirtualBox on Windows 11. First, you'll need to download the software from www.virtualbox.org. On the main page, click Downloads, then choose the version for your operating system. For example, Windows hosts. Also, don't forget to download the VirtualBox extension pack. This will give you additional features we'll use in future projects. Once both files are downloaded, you're ready to move on. Now that we've downloaded the software, let's begin the installation. Double-click the installer and follow the setup process. You can keep the default settings, and when prompted, just choose Next, Yes, or Install as needed. Wait until the installation is complete. It should only take a few minutes. Awesome! Now you have successfully installed Oracle VirtualBox on your computer. You can explore its features and interface to get familiar with it. We'll be using these features in the next video, where I'll show you how to install an operating system inside VirtualBox. If you'd like me to make that tutorial next, let me know in the comments below. Now it's time to install the extension pack we downloaded earlier. This additional package is powerful and very useful for our upcoming projects. It enables features like USB support, remote desktop, and encryption. Just double-click the extension pack file, and when VirtualBox asks for confirmation, click Install, and then agree to finish the setup. And that's it for today's tutorial. You've installed both VirtualBox and its extension pack successfully. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more weekly IT tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.